Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to play the game Teddy Floppy here, Kayaking. So you're gonna go to this tiny URL link, paste it into your browser, and then you're gonna have this button download, press it. If something pops up, it's an ad, you can close it safely. Then you're gonna wait for it to stop, to finish downloading. It might take a while if your internet connection is slower. Then you're gonna double click the game and drag the folder out back to downloads or wherever you want to extract it. Then you're gonna wait. Okay. Then you're gonna go into the folder and you will see the game Teddy Floppy here, Kayaking. You're gonna run it. If something like that pops up, press more details and run anyway. That's because cracks do that. Alright, and here's the game. So yeah, I'm not gonna like play it for long, just gonna show you that the game actually works. Choose a profile. Alright, so as you can see, the game works perfectly, and yeah, the link is in the description. Subscribe, like, please share the game if you want to play and show it to others. And yeah, thank you for watching.